My next question to you, like single page application, like if we want to build single page application, we need routing.
Hmm.
So like, can you just tell me the steps for the creating new routes in the Next.js application?
Yes. So with React, we use React Router DOM to manage all of the routes. But with Next.js, the routing is a bit different because Next.js uses a file-based routing system. That means if it is a pages router, that means if we are using Next.js pages router instead of the app router, each file in the pages directory will automatically become a route. That means if I want to create a new route, and so in the pages directory, I can create a folder and name it product. And inside that, I will need a index.js file. That means I want to make it a page. If I do not put an index.js file, it won't be a route in a pages router. So for that, I have to now I can just route to that new product page with homepage URL slash product, and that will act as an route.
Okay, you have said the file-based routing. Like if I want to
Mm-hmm.
like go to the dynamic
Mm-hmm.
pages, like I have is like in product page, like I have 100 products. Now, if I want to click
Mm-hmm.
one simple product, so it will created by the IDs. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
how can you show them in the React? Like I
Yes.
want to
So.
create on one data by the ID from the backend.
Mhm. Okay. So in that case, the syntax would be a bit different. That means we have to write it with like a third bracket inside a third bracket. That means, for example, inside our product page, I have a dynamic route that will change based on ID. So what I would do is inside our pages folder, I will take a new file that is third bracket. That inside the third bracket, I would say ID or Slack. So whatever the name I give here, I will get that as a props inside the components. That means if I have let's say third bracket id dot js file inside my product page. So now whenever I do a dynamic routing after the product page, let's say after product slash I give a product ID. So now inside the ID folder, I will get that ID as a param to that component. So that's how we handle like the dynamic routing.
So, like for the dynamic route, we have to include in the src directory, or we have to use in the like which file
No, no,
we
it,
want.
it has to be in the pages directory if we are using the pages router.
Okay.